Hello fellow traders, Paul Lomo, Big Unit Trading Club, and got another stock here that's got some pretty good cycle action coming out of the TY-1 cycle. This is GCT Gigacloud Technologies, and it's acting really good coming out of that TY-1 line. Let me just break down the cycles for you. First cycle, Cat 1, was a TM5. It's a 12 to 15 month cycle. Second cat line was a TY1. It's 1.5 year cycle. And as you can see over here on the right hand side, once we get a breakout of the TY1, basically had a triple bottom retest of that line, violated a little bit, but not much, came back down to that $25 PPP test. You can see on the first cycle low, cat 1, $10 PPP acted as support. And so you can see how powerful these price zones are as far as retesting. When you get really strong PPP zone testing, so $25 is a very strong one. When you start to see the wave action, you get the wave 1 down, and then the wave 2 and 3 testing it stays inside of that wave 1. You get the price squeeze coming in, and that's where you get your pops. So basically it popped up probably a good 20% or so, maybe 30%. And so basically what we're going to have now is just a retest probably into that $30 PPP. So you have a $35 right above it. And so, you know, really good cycle action on the pullback. This is a TD9 cycle on that pullback. That's a 50-day cycle, 47 to 53-day cycle. And so get the price squeeze there at the $25 PPP. And so next thing we're looking for is a breakout of the 35 PPP, and then we got the $50 psychological price point above it. So the cup high, the U pivot over here, is in that $61 area. It's 11 BMI cup, and if you extrapolate that, that's potentially a $700 stock. I don't think it's going to do that, but you never know. It's acting really good. And the cup price lows $5. That's actually a pretty good sign of good continuing once we get the breakout of the cup. It's a solid price point. What I mean by that is if you get down in that $1 to $3 area, you've got some serious problems with the fundamentals of a company. And so the price points, the quality of the price points has a lot to do with whether these momentum stocks continue out of these cycle trend lines. So let's just also extrapolate potential targets based on the cycles off the low. We probably have a TM3. It's a 5 to 7 month cycle, right in there. So TM3, extrapolate north side of that's around $45 or so. X channel is going to be about probably around $60. That'd be close to 100% here. And then if we get to 2X, about there, $75, good 100%, 150% or so. And that's just getting into PBC zone. So if we get a quality PBC zone up here, especially in that $75 PPP area, this one can have a really nice super cycle run ahead. But one thing at a time. We're basically coming out of that TY1 cycle and may potentially print the TY2 in the next couple months. It's a 3.5 year cycle, and we're about we are at about right here 3.1 years. So 3.5 is going to be in February or so. So give or take a few weeks to a month, we're probably going to get that trend line set. It could be way up here. Could be a nice gain before that. That would be a really good sign of strength. But so far acting pretty good. So let's go look at the stock rating on it. So the stock rating on GCT, again, this is a TY1 cycle trade. BMI and VR is 2/1, so 2 BMI. Vector of 1. Risk profile is a B. The stock rating is a B-86. And current market rating is A+. And again, this is a TY1 trade, and it seems to have pretty much confirmed the support of that on that pullback of that Cat 2 TY1 line. So Looking pretty good. Again, this is GCT Gigacloud Technology, Inc. If you're interested in our trading style and want to join the club or get one-on-one coaching, head over to cycletradingtraining.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.